Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey everybody, Ben from Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom here with another product update and overview for you. Today we are talking about the laundry towers from LG. Now these things are really cool. They only came out less than a year ago, so they're still relatively new, and they solve a lot of the problems that people have been having with unitized units in the past. So traditionally, if you wanted the advantages of a stackable set or a unitized laundry machine, you only had a few different options, and none of them were ideal. Your first option that most people would look at was something kind of basic, something apartment style like this GE model here. Now, what you're gonna notice immediately is this thing is small, okay? It's 3.8 cubic feet, so, certain comforters, it's gonna be a struggle to get them in there. Also, just an awkward setup for trying to reach in here. And pretty basic. You don't get steam functions, you don't get any of the more modern features that you're usually seeing from unitized or modern front load laundry machines. So your other option traditionally has been to take a set of front loaders like these Whirlpools right here and stack them on top of each other. And so, that way you're gonna get the features of a modern front load laundry machine, but you're actually moving the control panel on the dryer all the way up to the top. So, if you're vertically challenged like me, something, where your controls are up this high, I can't read them, it's hard to use them. I need a step stool just to do my laundry, and that seems like a real pain just to have the convenience of a stackable set. Because once you stack the units, you have flexibility in your space to add other, laundry accessories. For instance, you could do one of these steam closets in the space where the dryer normally would sit, or perhaps you do a folding table. It just gives you more utilization of your space. So, the other option that sometimes you might see was, there are upper end ones, but these guys from Speedteam, not to knock them, they're really great machines, they're durable, but they're commercial grade, so you do pay that extra premium for them where they're expensive. So what has happened here now with LG is they've actually hit a really sweet spot where the price point is competitive, they're big enough to hold full-size loads of laundry, and you get the modern features of modern front-load technology. Plus, all your controls are right here on the front of the unit. So you can use them, you can see them, you can read them, it's really easy. And so this machine is great. It hasn't been around for too long, but it's already getting really good reviews and selling really well. Basically, you're gonna get the standard functions of a front load machine, but it's also a very smart unit. So it has built-in AI intelligence, which, it's not gonna take over your laundry machine or laundry room or anything, but it does actually determine based on its scanners what kind of fabric is in it, adjust the laundry cycles to be easier on your clothes, has a sensor so that it can tell when clothes in the dryer are done so it doesn't give as much wear and tear drying things that are already dry. And then you're also going to, over time, it learns what your cycles are like and helps to adjust for that. Plus, with the app, it actually sends data to LG so that preventatively you can actually solve issues before they happen and take your washer dryer out of commission. So that's really cool. It does also have an allergy setting, which is actually certified by the Allergy and Asthma Association of America. So that's really cool if you do have issues, pets, pollen, things of that nature. And last but not least, it also has tempered glass on the doors. So it's a small thing, but they're really scratch resistant. So, very cool set, really popular right now, and does fill kind of a hole in the market that needed to be filled. So, as always, definitely like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions that I didn't cover, or if you have questions that you want me to cover in a future video. But until next time, I'm Ben, and keep it clean, guys.